Welcome to our channel. If you want to lower your credit card interest, follow these step-by-step instructions to reduce the cost of carrying balances and save money. Step 1. Review your current credit card terms, including your interest rate, payment history, and how long you've been a customer. This information strengthens your negotiating position. Step 2. Research competitive credit card offers and note the interest rates available to people with your credit profile. This gives you concrete numbers to reference when negotiating. Step 3. Call your credit card company's customer service number and ask to speak with a representative about lowering your interest rate. Be polite but firm in your request. Step 4. Explain why you deserve a lower rate by mentioning your positive payment history, length of customer relationship, and competitive offers you've received from other card issuers. Step 5. If the first representative can't help, politely ask to speak with a supervisor or retention specialist, who typically has more authority to adjust rates. Step 6. Consider transferring balances to a 0% introductory rate card if negotiation fails. Balance transfer cards can provide 12 to 21 months of interest-free payments, though watch for transfer fees. Step 7. Make a plan to pay off the balance as quickly as possible, regardless of rate changes. Even low interest adds up over time, so prioritize eliminating credit card debt. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.